So hi, welcome to Cloud Lab. My name is Marco Martinez, and today I actually have a very exciting app to share. This app was requested by one client, and the purpose of this app was to create a front end for SMS Twilio. So basically, in this case, we're using Slack to interact with SMS users. You will see here on the screen, I have the technical diagram. So I have here the PDF file that we can better see. So here on the left side, I have the users. So this is where the users are interacting with Twilio or Slack. So primarily here on the top of the screen with Twilio, users are responding using SMS messages, and that information is passed to the person that is the administrator, basically on Slack, on a Slack channel. And the administrator is interacting with SMS users using Slack. So the administrator will use Slack to reply to SMS messages, and SMS users will pass that information to Slack. So you will see that in a minute how it works. Basically, three different APIs that are working together. I have a bunch of Lambda functions, two step functions that are that are working separately, and each one of those step functions has a couple of Lambda functions that are doing different tasks to create channels, to send the messages, and again you will see how it looks in a second. So now let's go to Twilio here in the console. So I'm using a messaging service Copilot, and the only thing that I'm doing here is basically adding a request URL or a webhook when I receive an incoming message on my message service. Now here on my screen I have the list of numbers that I have on my account. So I have two numbers from California and one from Texas. The number from Texas, it's working as my message service outbound number. So I'm gonna use this number to make or to send my SMS messages. And on the two numbers from California, those numbers will basically simulate a person from the US. So I don't have any friends in the US, so I'm creating my virtual friends on Twilio. And those two numbers from California, the only thing that are supposed to do, it's using a 2mil file. They will respond with an OK message. So that's the only thing that are for. Those two friends will only reply on incoming SMS messages with an OK SMS response. So you will see that in a second. So now let's go to Slack. So this is the front end. So we have the app installed called Twilio. And let me, zoom in, not too much. So how users or how the admin will add numbers, remove numbers. So it works by using a CSV file. So I have here two columns, one column name person name and column B name unique phone number. So this is important. This is the unique number so this is the key for the database. So it has to be a unique and different number. So I added myself to the list, Marco Martinez. This is my phone number, my first name from California, my virtual friend, and friend 2 also from California. That will also give me a better, for testing purposes, and how it will look. So this is the CSV file. I will drag it into the Twilio app, upload. So on the screen you will see that the app is also providing feedback to the admin. So file read, file deleted, channels created, and now you can send messages to Twilio. So here on the left, you saw that we created new channels. So for each persons that we had on our CSV file, the app created channels for each one of those. So for interacting with those users, the admin person will use this channel to send messages back to them. And if those users reply back, the admin will see that response in this screen on each channel. So my name, friend 1, friend 2. So let's send a message to all of them. So we're using a message service, so we can send a bunch of messages to my list of friends. So for that I'm using a Slack command. So /send. So hi, how are you? Question mark. So let's click send, enter. Please wait, we're sending your messages to your list of phone numbers. Yes, success, all Twilio SMS messages were sent. And as you can see on my channel list, yes, my virtual friends received the message and replied to the message with an OK. And let's actually have here my phone, my number, my cell phone that's been mirrored on the screen, and he also received the message. So it's a real phone number, and in this case, a Mexican number, so it's an international number that is receiving or massive push of messages. And if, for example, if our friend one response, or if we want to interact with our friend, that's hi, test. Yeah, he responds back. So it's receiving and it's responding back. And again, if we try with my, how are you? Okay. Yeah. So yeah, it's working, as you can see. Very nice app. And again, for adding, removing the admin, we only need to remove all the names, and the app will automatically archive the channels, and everything's managed using a Dynamo table. So hope you like it. Have a wonderful day. Keep you posted. Bye.